guys, it's me, Leni Lizards today, and today I know I'm going to be opening toys, but I do not know what I'm doing. So my dad's going to blindfold me, and let's go. Oh, wait. Wait. Ryan! This is the new one! This is the new one! Everything's new! Oh my god! Can I open it? Oh my god, I got a new shirt and it says Leni Lizards, guys. And let's see what else Okay, guys, so look at my new shirt. It says Leni Lizards, and now let's see what I got. So I got Ryan's World Treasure Chest, newest Ryan's World Treasure Chest. I got Ryan's World Eggs, and I got Ryan's World another egg, but it's ginormous and it's white. So, which one should I want to open this one. Okay, guys, so now let's open it. Let me get this. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god, this is bigger than me. Okay, let's see. Let's take this out. Okay. Whoa, whoa. So in the first part there's this, and then there's all mysteries. And there's Ryan's World. Oh my god. Take it out. Okay. The packet is gold. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this what I think it is? Can I open it? Okay. Oh, there it is. I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I hear something rubber. This is the slime. It's red slime. Almost in all the videos I get slime. Like almost every single day. Oh my god. This is what the slime looks like. So let's take it out. I mean putty. Not slime, putty. So let's take this out. I always get, once I got slime, now I got putty. This is the putty. It's so slimy. And I think it's pink or red. So now let's put it in here. Let's open the other one. Okay, so now let's open the other one. It's a pirate Ryan. You can take his head off. Can you? Oh. Okay. So that's the pirate Ryan. Okay, let's open the other one. This is fun. Combo, right? Combo, like, Okay, guys, so now let's open the other one. I'm gonna watch Ryan play video like almost every day. It's Peck Pirate. Next is the brown hen. See the next one. Ooh, this one is big. Oh my god, this one's big. Wonder what kind of. Oh, and I think it's on this side. Oh yeah, it's on this side. It is coins. 1 coin, 2 coins. There's 2 coins from Ryan's World game. Go to the next one. Okay, guys, so now let's go to the next one. Hope Ryan's gonna watch this. It's 1, 2, 3. What are these? There's keys and there's a drill. Cool. Let's go to the next one. I only have 2 left. Okay, let's just do that. Can't believe I got Ryan's World for my surprise. I didn't even think about Ryan's World. That's funny of me. What is this? Is this a tie? There's this. It's a pirate. Let's put it on me. I'm going to take off my belt for this. And what is this? Ahoy, my pirates! Ahoy! Arr, my pirates! Okay, guys, so this is the last one. Last one! See what it is? The last. It's Gus. It's Pirate Gus! Oh my gosh. It came a trophy. Okay, so I got Gus with a trophy. Oh, this is rubber. Let's put him in my pile. Okay, guys, so now I have to do this with the keys. So I'm going to try this one first. Oh, it works. Oh my god, there's a... I got it open with the key, and now let's see. There's a pirate ship. Wait a minute. Look at that. Should I open it? Guys, should I open it? Yeah, I'm gonna open it. Take this off and there's another key. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna try this key first. I got it open. There's a treasure chest. There's a sword! It's a blue, my favorite color, and gold sword. Okay, so I'm gonna put the people on the ship. So I'm gonna let Ryan drive it. Ooh, wait, it doesn't spin. I'm gonna let him. So he's gonna be right here. And then Gus, he's gonna be saving the ship. But he's gonna be right over here. And he is going to be right here. Oh. There we go. I'm going to play with this tomorrow. So I'm going to be taking a key and opening this. I didn't do this one, so maybe this one will work. Oh. I have a sword too! Oh my gosh. And then, my hearties. My hearties. It says Ryan on it. I'm going to be digging this. Or I can get water. Oh, it's the other way. There it is. Oh, Abba, you're not gonna like this. Okay, let's open it. Okay, guys, so let me get the drill. Where's the drill? Where's the drill? Oh, there it is. Silly me, and I have to dig. I'm gonna just make marks. So let's keep. Oh, I think I see something. I see something, guys, look. You see it? Let's keep drilling in it. So I'm gonna be oh my god. Oh, I got it open. I just cracked it. That's all. Okay, guys, so my dad helped me open it, so now let's build it. And I can put it in. Oh. It's a gold one. This is the new gold one. I want to put him on top here. Shouldn't put this. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to put everything back in the treasure chest. So let's... Okay, so I'm going to open these before I do this. So, open this. Oh, whoa. guys, so now I'm gonna open this Ryan's World builder. You build Ryan's body. Let's open it. I'll do that so you can see. Kind of looks like my egg box that you can eat, but it's not. Silly me. I'm just so silly that I'm thinking about eggs right now. Oh, there we go. First. Oh, it has tape. It doesn't. Wait. I got a robot head. Whoa. That goes everywhere. I need to just find the body. Please be the body. Guys. God, I'm so fast. How am I so fast? I found a body. It's this. I found a body. I found a body. And it came with the cape. Here, let me build it. I know how to do it. Oh, I forgot to take the head off. So I can put this on. And then I get to put the head on. And now, okay, so I'm going to open the other two ones, and it's the bodies. There. Wait, that's the part. And there it is. Don't worry, guys. You can get this from Target. All of them. All this stuff. Then let's put this on. Let's put, what is this? Who cares? And, oh, I know where this goes, I think. So this is, so I got all of the characters out. So here's the egg, and then here's the characters. So now, let's give it to it. So this is the adventure Ryan. This is the strong Ryan, and this is the song that I want to build a robot. So this is the robot. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this big egg. It's white. You can see. Oh, there we go. Just like an LOL doll. You have to keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. Oh. Oh. Okay, so oh my God, what's this? I'll open this instead. I said I was going to do this in the end, but it fell out, so there's a card inside. Oh, it goes. Okay, so now I'm going to open this. Oh. Turn it around, of course. Oh, yeah, I know. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go, there we go. That was loud. Yeah. This is all the characters that you can get. I'm gonna open this slime first. Okay. Ooh, I can hear it. I got pink. Seriously, I'm not joking, I got pink. I'm so lucky. So I'm a girl and I like pink. Okay, so I got pink. Oh my god, it's slimy. It is slimy. I'm lucky. I am lucky because oh my god, it's so slimy. Ah! Oh my god. I'll put it back in. Let's go to the next step. So that was slimy. I'm gonna do this now. It is a character. So this is all the characters you got. I hope I get ultra rare. Ultra rare. So let's see who I got. Ultra rare. Cheer for me. Ultra rare. Ultra rare. Oh my god, that just slide out. I know this is the ultra rare. No. At least it is the silver. Oh my god. It's so sticky. You can see water inside. You can't see what's inside. I'm gonna do this one next. Oh, I knew that. I was seeing it here. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. I can hang this on my backpack, but it's packed. I want to sleep with him tonight. So I'm going to do this one. I think it's a car. So let's see. Oh yeah, I think it's a car. Cheer for a car for me, because okay, now I'm going to do this. Here's the characters that comes inside. So now, this is the one I wanted to get. Police officer! Nothing. So this is the police officer. He has a gun. A bat. And then his hat is blue, and his face is. I can put him in my characters. Now let's do this one. This is the characters that comes with. I already got. Wait a second. The police officer is not here. That's weird. Really weird. It's like. Wait, this is the ultra rare. Okay, it's not. But I got this. Let me open it. So I got a scientist. I want to see if this comes out. No, it doesn't. So his glasses can come off. Here, I'll show you. And then we'll stick the other one. And then let's just put them back. Hand me my pile. Let's press him back. So I hope you like my toys. Anyways, I'm Ryan's biggest fan. And I almost watch him like almost every single day. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. See you later, guys. Bye.